Robbins says that there are six basic human needs, and our life is controlled, directed, is determined because of those needs, how much value we give it to them. So, those six needs are growth, contribution, security, adventure, significance, and love. But love is such which is, I think, very, very important to every one of us, most of us, right? Now, let us really understand that how this love works and what we should do about it. Love and relationships. Probably the two most magical words in the world, but sometimes the love and interest in another person fades away and people start looking out for a change, isn't it? Let's take a look at the story of Madhav and Anjana. There was a time when both of them were madly and truly in love with each other. Anjana was still so much involved with Madhav. But one day, while walking with the love of her life, a girl crossed them. Anjana was shocked to see Madhav's reaction towards the girl. Later that day, a similar incident happened again. She felt that maybe Madhav is losing interest in her. He doesn't talk to her that politely like he talks to other girls. She started impressing him by dressing up, by preparing his favorite dishes, but his behavior never changed. It seemed like he is taking her for granted. One day, willingly, Anjana asked, "Hey babe, do you find me not so attractive?" Madhav was very upset. He said, "Bullshit. Why did you ask such silly question?" To respond, Anjana said, "You don't look at me like you used to look at me or the way you look at other girls." Aggressively, Madhav screamed at her, "Going to be kidding me? Other women? I don't look at other women." Seriously, why are you so insecure? This happens in many relationships every single day. One person calls the other person insecure and doesn't even realize that they may be the ones causing them insecurity. Many people will watch this video and think self-esteem should come from within, but even though it's called self-esteem, the reality is sometimes it has nothing to do with ourselves, but about the other person, how he makes us feel. It is hard to accept when your partner seems uninterested all the time, not paying attention, or even checking out other boys and girls. In these situations, the innocent face issues like insecurities, loneliness, but there is always a solution. Seek help from the people around you. Make your partner realize how you feel. Your dignity matters the most. Don't let anybody question that. Don't let anybody dominate you. Learn to be confident and let your inner power fight for you. Build a strong mental immunity and see things with the right perspective. You are not weak. Keep the spirit up. Always keep your say in the relationships. It should not be one-sided. Make the other person crave your importance and existence. Help yourself. Talk to your close ones. Share what you feel. If you still face issues, reach out for professional help. Guys, make your insecurities turn into confidence. And remember, you're not weak. You can fight it. Yeah, you can fight it. So, someone who is really worthy of your love should never put you in a situation when you need to lose your dignity, integrity, and self-worth. I can say with confidence that I am stronger because of the hard times I faced. I'm wiser because of the mistakes I did. And I'm happier because of the sad experiences I had. You can also be happy and find your true love without losing your dignity of life. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.